we will peacefully ask you to please leave the chamber.
Yes, I'm going to do exactly that. All I'm saying is that you are so prepared to chase people who violate the rules and keep a man who violate the constitution.
Honorable Malema.
You are prepared to chase out
Honorable
people
Malema,
who are protecting the constitution
please
in the name of the rules.
leave the
If there is
chamber.
anyone who must leave,
Honorable
it's this
Malema,
one.
leave the chamber.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm elected here.
We will assist you to go.
Wait.
We will assist
Let me
you to
tell
go.
you, wait.
Because
what
one thing
exactly
We would like you to assist
That's
us.
what.
You.
That's exactly what made you not to be a candidate of the Women's League. Exactly that. Your conduct has failed you to be a candidate for president because you are irrational, you are impatient, you are partisan. Even your own people have dumped you. After they told you you are their candidate, you went home to do
point of
telling
order.
ancestors you are going to be a president. After that, they dumped you because of this conduct. Exactly this conduct. How do you chase us for breaking the rules and you are not chasing a man who has broken his oath of office, his constitution? We are abused by Zuma here.
We are not going to
We are
allow
abused
you
by Zuma.
to abuse us the whole night.
No, we are abused by Zuma. You are scared of Zuma. He used you, he dumped you. He used you and promised you that you are going to be a president. And you went home, you slaughtered a cow, he dumped you. He dumped you. We are abused by Zuma here.
Honorable Malema, please
You can do
leave the
anything.
house. Honorable Malema,
If you want to
leave
kill
the house.
us now.
May I
You
ask
can call soldiers to come and kill us now.
Sergeant at arms to please escort Honorable
Call
Malema
soldiers
out
to
of
come
the
and kill
house.
us now.
Speaker.
We are not going to be addressed by criminals. Go and address prisoners, not members of parliament.
Back to me,
Bloody
London.
Kruku Gwen.
Honorable Speaker, I don't know whether members want to play politics. Firstly, people every day say something about President Zuma in this country. Should I stand every day, take everybody to court? You say a lot of things about me. Should I do so? If I were
You
to
can
do
take
so,
me to court. You can, no, nami ngiyakhuluma.
He's answering
This is
you,
not your house.
Honorable
Ngathi ngiyakhuluma
Malema.
ngathi usendleni yakho. This is not your
Honorable
house.
Malema,
This is
it's not
parliament.
your
Awuna
turn.
ngisakhuluma mo.
Honorable
Ngisakhuluma here.
Malema.
Rakhuluma le
Point
rina
of
mo.
order.
Honorable
Everyone
Malema.
speaks here. This is
the
our house.
question.
No,
Yes,
Honorable Malema,
you
you have
can
asked
take
your
action
question.
against me. You can take action against
I don't take actions against people like yourself, generally. I don't do it.